Hey guys, Kyle Kelly from the entire team at Kellysport here at the 2023 Model Year Bennington Dealer Showcase, taking you through the latest and greatest from the best pontoon boat builder in the nation. Keeping all well through, we've got some great content to show you what's new for 2023. So guys, the team at Bennington is truly poised to deliver more product faster than anyone else in the market, especially for that spring 2023 model year. Just like everything else in the market, we're going to recommend that you push forward your buying horizon to get a boat in order much quicker, because the team at Bennington, they are prioritizing retail sold units. They will actually get you a boat quicker than they will for us for stock. So it doesn't matter whether it's this beautiful Q that we're in, the QX back behind us, the RX that's pulling out right now. They can deliver the product, but we need you guys to make a commitment to us. But here's the commitment I'm here and ready to make with you. The team at Kellysport and Bennington will lock pricing for you. I don't care when it's delivered, and if there's price increase galore, we don't care. We are going to make a commitment to you if you're going to make a commitment to us. So please call today and get your perfect dream boat on order for spring 2023 delivery. What's it take from an investment standpoint to get from a barn napkin sketch to a physical boat sitting on the water?
And that can vary a lot. Put it on a Bennington, it was like, you know, we just needed a whole new trim. We try to do things that are subtle, make sense, and last the test of time.
So the amount of innovations at Mercury's side shift that's been out for a long time,